Good day everyone. Canned goods like sardines and corned beef are essential in every Filipino home, especially for typhoon preparations or quick meals. But did you know this is science working at a scale of 1 to 100 nanometers, 100,000 times smaller than a single strand of hair, to keep our food safe and fresh? Today, we will answer all about this innovation.
What nanotechnology-based product or materials did your group choose? Our group selected nano-coated food cans. These are the regular metal cans used for sardines, corned beef, and other preserved goods, enhanced with nanotechnology on their inner surface. What everyday need, limitation, or problem does it address? It solves three common problems. The first one, fast food spoilage. Second one, rust and metal contamination. And the third one is the chemical safety risk from old-style can linings. And it also meets our need for reliable, long-lasting emergency food supplies here in the Philippines. What nanotechnology is used? It uses food safety nanocoating made of silica or silver nanoparticles applied only to the inside of the can. No nanomaterials are mixed into the foods itself. These tiny particles form the invisible protective shield that blocks air, moisture, and acid and stop germs that cause spoilage. It is far thinner yet stronger than old plastic linings.
How does the use of nanotechnology change or improve the product compared to its traditional non-nano counterpart? Traditional cans are thick plastic lining that fill, rust, or leach. Chemical like BPA, they only last 1 to 2 years, and acidic food like tomato sauce damage them quickly. Nano-coated cans are BPA-free, resist rust even in hot, humid weather, and stay safe for 2 to 5 years. They also reduce the needs for extra chemical preservatives or its function for post benefits and possible risks or limitations. Preserve food longer, keep metal safe from corrosion, prevents germs, growth benefits, less food waste, safe emergency supply, lower spoil costs for store and producer risks and limitations, slightly higher manufacturing cost, long-term study. Continue to confirm no particle transfer to food. Not all brands follow strict safety standards.
This innovation matters most for families preparing for typhoons, local stores that lose stockage to spoilage, and Filipino farmers and exporters who send canned goods all over the world. We no longer have to worry about opening emergency kits only to find rusted or spoiled food.
Why does understanding nanotechnologies matters into everyday consumers and their field of studies? For consumer, it helps us make smart choice. We know new tech is not perfect, so we check label and pick trusted brands. For our studies, this clearly shows the relationship among science, technologies, and, and societies. Science discovered how nanoparticles from strong barriers technologies turn this into safe, affordable coating for regular cans. And society needs for reliable foods safety push these innovations to reach every Filipino homes.
Overall, even invisible nanotechnology make a huge difference in our daily lives. Always stay informed and check for safety certification when buying a new products. Thank you for watching.